Hello guys, welcome again. So after adding the keywords, when the data starts coming after 12 or 24 hours, you will be able to see the rank tracking details here. Like this, the data will be populating over here. So like I have told you that you can see the top 3, top 10 from here. When you click on the buttons, you'll be able to see the data or the keywords which are ranking in top 10 and their average rankings, right? So I'll unselect it and we'll go to the I'll select the United States. I want to see the rankings, how my website is performing in United States on the keywords that I am ranking. So in the United States, I'll be able to see the rankings of my keywords. And here when you click anywhere around the keyword, so you will be able to see the trend of that specific keyword as per the timeline that you have selected. So this is where you can see the performance of each keyword of your website, as well as you can click on this icon to see the same. And this is the SEO Insight, which is a very cool feature. You can see the insights of any specific page. So when you click over here, it will take some time. It will show you some really great suggestions, or you can say that very great data that you can consider and improve your web page for SEO. So this is what SEO Insights do. And if you are tracking the ranking in mobile device as well, you just need to click on this toggle button and it will load the mobile rankings stats. I'm not tracking in my website ranking in mobile, so it is not showing anything over here. I'll go back, and from here you can search keyword. Like if you are tracking 100, 200, 300 keywords and you just want to see some specific keywords without scrolling down and down and down, so you can mention that keyword here. Actually the system will search the keywords containing these words. And next to the search, this is for the competitors. Like if I am the competitors as well, to compare where they are ranking. So I am not tracking any competitor for my website, so the system will show the ranking for RanksPro only. I'll go back. If you want to add more keywords, you can click on it. You can select the locations from the existing ones, because you can select the locations only once when you set up the project first time. And from here you can download the report on your keyword ranking report. From here you just need to click on this and the CSV will be downloaded. If you want to delete any keyword, you can select those keywords from here. You just need to click on the delete button and you can add more keywords. If you want to select all but perform action, you can select all the keywords. So this is all about the rank tracking tool, and this is the AI writer where we are going to implement, and it will help you to write the title and descriptions for your specific landing page considering that keyword. So it is in process. Thank you.